This is from the LaVivid collection from UniWigs. This is Leah, lace party friendly, fabulous in caramel kiss. And it's a low heat wig, which means that on a low heat you can straighten or curl, which is fabulous, which means that you get to put your own stamp on it and you can have it whatever way you like. So this is it straight out of the box, as you can see. Hand tied, closed, weft, fabulous. You've got your lace here, so that will need to be cut. Hairline, which I will show you better when the lace is cut. And your beautiful colours running through it. Absolutely stunning. It's like in a bit of a curl at the moment. She is temple to temple lace front, and she is side part and is heatable up to 140 degrees Celsius. She comes in two colours, Almond Frost and Caramel Kiss. Almond Frost is a blonder colour and this is your brunette, 22 inches long. Adjustable straps, fabulous for tightening and loosening. This is her straight on, so you have your lace, which is absolutely fabulous. Look at that hairline. So I wanted to show you before it was cut. Your soft ear tabs. So I'm going to cut the lace and show. Okay, so this is it with the lace cut. Just going to show you where it parts. So left side apart. This already just loosened out. It's such a fabulous style. It's really nice. There are some blonde hues going through it and I just think this colour is gorgeous. For someone who likes a bit of blonde, a bit of brown, this wig is perfect for you. It really shapes the face, really loosens, and it's a very beautiful piece with a very beautiful hairline. Hairlines are so important for anyone wearing a wig. If this is your wig that you're wearing every day, not just as a fashion piece, but your everyday wig, you want to have something that you feel extremely comfortable in, and this is extremely comfortable, plus it's extremely realistic. Like even the hairline is kind of going from a darker colour down, which is fabulous. It's just like roots, so I absolutely think yes, it's a thumbs up from me.